Okay, so I went ahead and removed this little side vent that goes on the driver's side. It's part of the air conditioning system. It just looked like it was going to be in the way, and it was easy enough to take off, so I took that off. And I took off the bolts. That I realized that the bolts that go through that mount the steering have to be completely out because they actually screw into the dash. So obviously those two long bolts came out. Short bolt. Oh well, shucks. I don't know where that one came from. Shoot. I want that's one of the ones I just came out over here. Hold on. I think I know where this one goes. If these are all the same size, I'll know for sure. Yeah, there you go. It was one of those. These are the ones that go along the top edge. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's one there. There's one there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should have 6 here. Oh, I got 7. But I hate when that happens. Well, I'm sure I'll figure it out when I get back to it. I'm going to go ahead and mark those as belong to the dash. But what I used to get those was this long extensions, 10 millimeter, with a swivel to get back into here, you know, underneath the glass. You can get to it. So all those are out. And all that's left now to do are there's a couple here on the bottom. I have to get those next. And we'll see where we go there. There's no those vents, but I don't think that one's in the way. I'll probably take the glove box off. It's easy to take off, get it out of the way. Getting close, but I just wanted you to show you the using the long extension with the swivel makes getting those ones in the back of the dash at the top there easy to get at. More later.